Welcome to a new IT Under 3. Today I'm going to be talking about Naviance, specifically the college part of it. The best way to get to Naviance and the easiest way is just to go to Clever. So once at Clever, all you need to do is if you have Naviance favorited already, then you just click there. Or if not, go down to the 6 through 12 student resources and just click on it there. So once Naviance loads, you should be on the home page and it should look something like this. All you need to do is click on the colleges up here and go to College Home, and it should take you to the home page for the college section. So first is Supermatch. Supermatch is a very nice tool to have. With this tool, you could add specific filters for location, academics, admission, student life, diversity, institution characteristics, and cost. Next is the college match. This tool shows you some colleges that Naviance thinks you may like. Naviance shows you these colleges because you match the profile of students that this college is looking for. Also, the colleges selected offer the majors that you have interest in. Next, college events. The college events tab usually just shows any college tours that they are offering or informational sessions. The college lookup tool is just a simple way to search for a specific college you want to look at. Next, a research colleges tab. So first is that I'm thinking about is where you could go to look at all the colleges that you've liked. Next is the College Compare. College Compare is a useful tool to compare colleges. Next, College Resources. It has lots of informational links for applications, financial aid, test prep, college athletics, and military. Then there's the Acceptance History. And all acceptance history is showing how many people enrolled in that college and how many people got accepted in that college. Next is the Enrichment Program. The Enrichment Program tab is somewhere where you could look up anything about enrichment programs. And then the college maps, it just shows a map of every single college. You could search for specific ones. So next, we're going to be going over the Apply to Colleges tab. First thing we'll go over is I'm applying to. I'm applying to will show you the colleges that you've applied to. It'll also show if you've sent everything you needed to send over to them. Next is the Letters of Recommendation tab. This is where you go when a teacher has been finished with your letter of recommendation. You go on there and request them to submit it, and they just submit it from there. And finally, the Scholarships and Money tab. First, I'm applying to. I'm applying to is a good way to help yourself track any scholarships you may receive. Then there's the scholarship list. The scholarship list is very useful because it'll show what merit-based scholarships that colleges will give out. Then there's the College Visits tab. This is for whenever a college will come to Mentor High School, they will show up in here and you could schedule to meet with anybody from that college. This has been IT Under 3. Thank you for watching.